Hello friend, welcome to TechPoint Solutions. My name is Ganesh. This channel is created to serve you SQL Server technical interview questions based on writing logical and tricky SQL queries, theoretical questions and scenario based questions. This channel is also intended for freshers and experienced candidates. If you are new to this channel, then please watch the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share and press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how to write SQL queries on finding a variety of strings. There are a variety of questions asked by interviewer based on strings. So what are those questions? Let's go through it. Write a query to find occurrence of characters. Write a query to split string by hyphen. Find if the string is palindrome or not. Concatenate multiple row value into variable, and find employee name starts with a without like operator. Let's go through each one of them. Consider that we have string and we want to find occurrences of certain characters. For example, I want to find occurrence of character T from the above string. Looking at the string, T occurs 5 times in the above string and hence prints the output as 5. Another example, character T occurs 3 times, so print the output as 3. Similarly, if any character is provided as an input, the occurrence of the character should be printed. So let's go to SSMS and write the query. I have already declared a variable, a string and input character to find occurrence of characters. Now let me tell you what logic we are going to apply here. First, we will calculate the length of entire string, and we will calculate another string where we replace the character T by some empty spaces and then calculate the length, and after that we will deduct from the original length. Now let me show you. First, get length of a string, press F5, entire string is 21, and now let me replace the string with, I want to replace the input character by empty space. Let me show you the result. So this is after replacing the string, and now let's calculate the length of this string. It should be 16, yes, and this is what we have to deduct from the original length, and we will get the occurrence of character T. Let's check for character E. It should be 3. Here it is. Let's check for I, and the output is 2. Let's move to the next query. Write a query to split the string. Assume that we have table named location in which the column name is city name. This city name is actually hyphenated, and I want to separate or split it into 2 columns, namely a state and capital. So write the query to split the string. Let me show you the table first. Here it is. Now here we will use a left function, substring and the char index. Using a char index, we will get the first occurrence of hyphen from each string. Let me show you. Char index, I want to find the hyphen, and then from which column name, city name, and the first occurrence that will give me the position of hyphen. Now we will use left here, left, I want to get the left character from left side till the first position of hyphen, but I do not want to first position. I will just deduct the -1 here. So let me get city name, comma, and I want to get till the -1 as state. Press F5 and we have got the state. Now let's write a substring column name, city name, what is the starting position? The starting position will be after the hyphen character. So I will get the index position of the hyphen and increment by +1 and then comma, what length you want to read. So I want to get the length of city name and we name this as capital. Press F5 and here we got separated into 2 columns. Let's move to the next query. Write a query to find if the string is palindrome or not. What is palindrome? It is a word, phrase or sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. Consider, look at the table which contains the f name. If you read the Bob from backward or forward, that will read the same backward as forward. Similarly, Anna, if you read from both the direction, that will read the same backwards as forward, and similar the same with the Hannah. So let's write the query to find if the string is palindrome or not. Let me show you the data first. Now here we will just reverse the string and then check with the original strings. So that will give us if the string is palindrome or not. So where first name is equal to, we will just reverse of first name and that will give us if the string is palindrome or not. So there are 3 names which are palindrome. Let's move to the next query. Write a query to concatenate multiple row value into a variable. Consider we have a table which contains the name and I want the output as comma separated values into a particular variable. So let's go to SSMS. Now let me show you the results table first and let me declare a variable that will be used to store some values char, and make sure you initiate the variable and we will just concatenate in the select statement equal to the string with first name and I want to separate them by comma and let's just select @string, press F5 and we have got comma separated values. Now here you can also use concat operator and you just need to put the comma here and let me close this bracket and we will get the same result. However, In case of concat, if there are some null value, so concat will retell them as empty string, and that will give us the perfect result. Let's move to the next query. Write a query to find employees name start with a without like keyword. So if I search for a, so Anna should be come as a result. Let's go to and write a query. So this is the table. So let me show you first with like keywords, where like first name, like a and percentage, so that will give us, so it should be where specify, and we will get an, but I do not want to use here a like operator. Now there are three ways we can find without like operator. The first is a left keyword or substring or char index. So let's try with the left keyword first. Where left of what is the column name, first name comma 1 equal to a. Press F5 and we will get the result here starts from a. Now let's check with substring. So instead of, we will use substring. Expression is that first value, first name, position is 1, and I want to length of 1, that will give us first character equal to a. So let's select the statement and press, and here we got name start with a using substring. Now let's start with char index. Now in the first statement we have used a char index that will give us the position. So this is what we are going to use here, but instead of characters we will put a value here. So where first name a value, and we want to find here capital A and equal to 1, and we got the same result. Let me show you all the result. So this way we can write the query to find employee name starts with particular character without like. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then leave your feedback in the comment box, hit the like button, share and press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and we will see you in the next video.